Introducing the MTM-250-1600 DC Torque Tester DC, the ultimate solution for verifying the accuracy and repeatability of your hand tools, power tools, and pulse tools. Engineered by AIMCO, this advanced torque tester combines precision and versatility to meet the demands of modern assembly processes. With a wide torque range of 25-250/160-1600 nlb, it can accommodate a variety of applications, from light-duty fastening to heavy-duty industrial tasks. The 3/8-1/2 drive size ensures compatibility with a wide range of tools and attachments. The integrated SoftwareUSB interface enables seamless data transfer and analysis, allowing you to monitor and document your torque measurements with ease. The AUET/MTM-250-1600 DC Torque Tester offers 3 measurement modes: peak, first peak, and track, providing versatility for different testing requirements. The adjustable auto-clear feature simplifies the testing process by automatically resetting the display after each measurement. With an accuracy of 0.5%, you can trust this torque tester to deliver precise and reliable results. Elevate your quality control measures with the AUET/MTM-250-1600 DC Torque Tester DC DOU/SoftwareUSB. Invest in this advanced tool and take your quality control to the next level.